Haji Nazir Sahab is a trustee of the Islamic Center and Medina Mosque on Wazir Road. Haji Sahab is basically here is to represent our member of parliament for Sheffield Central, Paul Blomfield, and he's gonna read the written message from him because unfortunately he is in the parliament session, so he was unable to attend this event. Otherwise, it would have been a great honor for everybody of us when he was here and saying a few words. So, Haji Nazir Sahab, if you can finish as soon as possible, please.
Thank you very much, Councillor Maruf Sahab. You have given 2 minutes to every speaker, but I have to say something on my behalf, and also I have to represent the Paul Blomfield, who is our MP for Central Ward. Is unfortunately he can't come here, but I have to. So don't stop me after 2 minutes. Anyway. Thank you very much indeed. I will not take long. Anyway, thank you very much for the. I welcome the dignitaries on the stage, especially Raja Mushtaq Sahab, who is from Azad Kashmir and is represent PM Noon. Moral. I remember when Councillor Qurban is councillor, but at that time he was Lord Mayor, and we miss Chaudhry Vilayat Sahab, who is also ex-councillor, one of the former councillors. He is suffering from, he had a stroke and he's in hospital. We miss him, but when Pakistani community was looking for a center like this, I was given responsibility as a coordinator for a small group to look for a place to ask to work with City Council, and the Councillor Tony Dam, he was given responsibility on behalf of Labour group. At that time, Labour was in control. We have to work hard to look different places to become a Muslim, Pakistani Muslim center. And eventually, I'm grateful to Councillor Qurban and Councillor Vilayat, who helped us, who represented us in the City Council at that time. And also, I was one of the campaigners of Raja Qurban Sahab when he stood as a councillor in Nether Edge Ward, and we were very proud that we won a great, splendid victory at that time from the Tory candidate. But at that time, this was not culture. It is culture change now. We are celebrating in mass here, but at that time, that was a great success at that time. And again, now I'm proud that I was one of the members campaigning for him, along with all my other comrades in Nether Edge. And not only in Nether Edge, but in the whole city of Sheffield, because Nether Edge seat was very, very important seat for us, and we were very lucky to win it. I congratulate Councillor Qurban Sahab. And another thing, I will congratulate him because he represents everybody, like my friends, my comrades before that, me, who spoke before me, like Councillor Abrar Sahab and others. They were young. Councillor Qurban will represent our group, over 60s group. So that's another, I congratulate him for that. And I congratulate all of you who worked hard to bring that success for Councillor Qurban. And once again, I congratulate him. And now I'm going to read the message from our local member of parliament, who we all know he has been suffering from tumor, but thank God that he is quite well now. and he has asked me that I should I should read his message to you all. He says, friends, I am very sorry not to be able to be celebrating with you today. Following my operation in the summer, I am now feeling a lot better, and I have gone back to Parliament for the first time this week. The fantastic set of local election results we had in May across Sheffield were down to the hard work of countless people canvassing, leafleting, encouraging people to vote for Labour, and thanks to all of that hard work, what a fantastic and outstanding result we had in Nether ward. Qurban is an old friend with a distinguished record of work for the party and the first BME Lord Mayor of Sheffield. It is a pleasure to be working alongside him and with our team of Labour councillors now representing every ward in Sheffield Centre. We must now use Qurban's victory and today's event as launch pad for another successful campaign, because in May 2012 I want to be celebrating as another Labour councillor is elected in Netherage, and I am looking forward to working with you all to make this happen. So once again, thanks thank you very much indeed.